हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने स्क्यूज प्रिंसिपल और एक थ्योरम की जिसमें एक फंक्शन की लिमिट जीरो कन्वर्ज करे और दूसरा बाउंडेड हो तो प्रोडक्ट की लिमिट भी जीरो कन्वर्ज करती थी। अब हम कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इनइक्वालिटीज़ को प्रूव करेंगे जिनका डोमेन हमें दिया हुआ है जीरो को छोड़ के -π/2 टू π/t टू क्लोज इंटरवल दिया हुआ है। तो हम प्रूव करेंगे मॉडुलस ऑफ sin x लेस देन x फॉर ऑल x belonging from 0 π/2 close to 0 open union 0 to π/2 close. So for that first हम इसको प्रूव करते हैं when x belongs from 0 to π/2 close, 0 open π/2 close, because 0 is the doubtful point, so we discuss in the this minus π/2 close x will be 0. So for that लेट अस डिस्कस। हमने डिस्कस किया इसको कि x π/2 पे और π/2 पे पहले इसमें डिस्कस किया कि जब x -π/2 और π/2 है तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी। व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू π/2 तो हमने देखा कि इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी। इसकी डबल स्प्लिट हमने देखा x π/2 तो इसलिए हमने sin of π/2 इक्वल टू 1 और इज लेस देन x of π/2, so π/2 is equal to 22/7 to this will be 22 upon 11/2 and this is 1. So when x is equal to π/2, sine of π/2 is equal to 1, which is less than equal to 22 by 11/7. So this equal to holds for x is equal to π/2. Now हमने प्रूव करना था इसको 0 to π/2 क्लोज में, तो π/2 हमने शो कर दिया कि दिस इक्वलिटी होल्ड्स टू sin of x लेस देन x फॉर x π/2. नाउ अब प्रूव करेंगे हम इसमें कि 0 to π/2 ओपन इंटरवल में इसकी बिहेवियर क्या होगा। जब x की वैल्यू 0 π/2 लेंगे तो साइन ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ sin x और x में रिलेशन ट्रू होगा या नहीं होगा। उसके लिए हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन किया। हमने एक सर्कल ड्रॉ किया, हमने टू डायमेंशनल प्लेन लिया, एक सर्कल यूनिट रेडियस का सर्कल ड्रॉ किया और now angle, this angle varies from 0 to π/2 means from this to this. π/2 means then the theta will, the x will lie in the first point. But we constructed, तो हमने एक OP आर्बिट्री पॉइंट ले P, हमने P let OP makes angle x with the x can vary from 0 to π/2 means will lie on the first point only. P and OP, this is circle of unit radius, so OP is also equal to 1. From P, draw perpendicular to x-axis, which meets the axis at M. So MP is a perpendicular on x-axis, and draw a line between meet P and A points. Now, so after the construction, we know that this arc angle POA is equal to x and arc PA is equal to angle upon radius and radius equal to 1. So arc is equal to PA is equal to arc PA is equal to also equal to x. Arc P is equal to x, angle is x from P to perpendicular to this, and construction is complete. Now from this right angle triangle POM, PM is equal to this is OP perpendicular over hypotenuse equal to sine of x and base upon hypotenuse equal to cos of x. So OM is equal to cos of x, and because OP is equal to 1, this is circle of unit radius, and MP is equal to sine of x. The coordinate of this point will be cos of x, sine of x. You know the values. Now from the figure, we can conclude that sine of what is sine of x is equal to this line MP is less than this line PA, and this is less than RPA. From the construction, it is very clear from the construction. PM is less than PA is less than PA arc. So substituting the value, PM is less than length of the chord PA is less than length of the arc PA. So sine of x is less than this. From this is sine of x, PM is sine of x, length of the chord PA is less than, so this is less than, therefore sine of x is less than x. When this will x, then x belongs from the open interval 0 to π/2. for first and second, when we combine this first result, sin x is less than x when x is pi by 2, and sin of x is less than x when x is belongs from 0 to pi by 2. When we combine both results, we come to know that sin of x is less than x for all x belonging to the interval 0 open, pi by 2 close. Now, if we replace, because we are in the first quadrant, so in the first quadrant, sin x can be written modulus sin x, because they will be the same. Sin is cos in the first quadrant, and x is written as modulus x in the first quadrant. So for this, we conclude that modulus of x is less than x for all x belonging to the 0 to 0 open, pi by 2 close. Means x belongs from 0 open to pi by 2 close. Now we want to show it in the minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 less than x less than 0. If you multiply minus 1, we multiply equality with negative number, equality reverses. So this is equal to minus plus x minus x 0. So now, or we can add this as 0 less than minus x less than pi by 2. Now x is in this interval. X is 0 to, multiply this equal to minus x. So now x minus x belongs from 0 to pi by 2. So the fourth, when we substitute the value, now x is in this interval. X with minus x in this interval. Minus x in this interval. Now substitute the value in the fourth. Replace x by x in the fourth interval. X minus x is equal to modulus of minus sin x is less than modulus of x. Modulus of minus x, sin of minus x, theta is equal to minus sin theta. So modulus of minus sin x is less than modulus of minus x. So modulus of minus x is equal to x. So this implies modulus sin x is less than x for x going from minus pi to close to 0. So combining fourth and fifth, we concluded that modulus sin x will be less than x for all x belonging from minus pi to open close 0 open union 0 open pi to close. So in the similar way, you can prove the result. You can prove the result is equal to sine of modulus sin x is less than modulus x is less than tangent x for same for x interval. Now, because tangent is not defined at the pi by 2 is mentioned infinity, so we have excluded the point infinity. Means for x belonging from pi by 2 open to 0 open union 0 open to minus pi by 2 open to 0 union 0 to pi by 2 interval pi by 2. In this, pi by 2 is excluded because tangent is become infinity at this point. So for the proof of this, construction is same as we did in the first theorem. Construction is construct a circle of unit radius at the origin of the two-dimensional coordinate axis, and now we are again proving in the first quadrant 0 for x belonging from, similarly as we did in the case of the sin x is modulus sin x is less than x, same 0 to 0, x belongs from 0 to pi by 2, because pi by 2 next is pi by 2 tangent to the infinity, so we exclude the same point pi by 2. So we consider this unit circle radius and OP, P is arbitrary point. Let's draw a line from O to P and use that and draw a perpendicular from A, so that it meets draw tangent at A, so that it meets OP at T, and draw perpendicular P on x-axis PM, and angle POA is equal to x. Therefore, arc P is also equal to x, because radius of the circle is arc upon arc is equal to angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Arc is equal to radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Radius is 1, therefore angle is equal to 1. So P is equal to x. Same way. OA is equal to OP is equal to 1. MP is equal to MP. MP is equal to hypotenuse perpendicular base, perpendicular over hypotenuse is equal to sine of x, therefore this is equal to OP is equal to OP of 1, therefore MP is equal to 1 of x. Similarly, TA upon OA in triangle TOA, TA upon O is equal to tangent of x, perpendicular base is tangent of x, therefore O is equal to 1, therefore P is equal to tan of x. So now from the construction it is clear that area of the triangle OPA is less than area of sector OPA is less than area of the triangle OTA. Now area of triangle OPA is equal to half into base into height. Height in this case MP is equal to sin of x, because sin of x, so half into base into height. Half base is OA, half into base into height is equal to OA. O is equal to half O is equal to 1, MP is equal to sin of x, half into this will become half into this will become half into base is 1 into height is sin of x, less than area of sector O is equal to half into O is equal to 1, this is equal to 1 square into x. This is less than half into base is 1, and height is equal to tangent of x. So from this it is clear that sine of x by 2 is less than x by 2 is less than tangent of x by 2 when f for all x belongs from 0 to 0 to 0 to pi by 2. So the multiplying both inequality by 2, equal remain the same. Therefore we get sine of x is less than tangent of x for all x coming from 0 to first result. Now x is lying in the first quadrant, therefore we can replace sin x will replace by mod of sin x, and x can be written in mod of x, and tangent x can be replaced by x or all. They will be the same because x is lying in the first quadrant for x coming from 0 to, or we can write it as equal to 0 less than 0 is less than x is less than 5. Now, we can prove for the replace it for taking x from home. So the part is when x belongs from 0 is less than 0, not 0 but pi by 2, when minus pi by 2, second case, minus pi by 2 is less than x is less than 0, multiply equality by negative number, equality versus, or we can write it as pi by 2 is greater than minus x is greater than 0, or we can write it as 0 less than minus x is less than pi by 2. So replace x when x is in this, now minus x is lying in this one, to replace it by minus x, and we got the result. You got result. Thank you very much.